might have indulged a little bit too much over the Christmas and New Year's period, so I'm gonna make a smoothie for you that'll kick you into gear to get a nice healthy new year going. I didn't mean to rhyme then. But I'm gonna get started with the Ascent 3500i. I've got some beautiful hydrating coconut water here. You can use normal water if you want, or green tea, anything you want. And I'm gonna start with the goodness of some bananas for that potassium. I've got a kick of lime because my lime tree is going mental. It is mango season, so I'm gonna be using a little bit of frozen mango. And I love the anti-inflammatory properties of bromelain, which is found in pineapples. So we're gonna go crazy with that. And then the kick is gonna be a big chunk of ginger with some cinnamon, some turmeric, and optional cayenne pepper if you wanna use that as well. Get all that out of there. And then some ice, because we know how that summer period can get nice and hot for us all. And we're just going to blend it on high speed. Make sure the lid's on properly, machine's reading it. We're good to go. And in 20 seconds, we're done. So we're going to get a nice kick. Yeah, oh, it smells like pineapple lollies. Pour it into a mason jar. I'm gonna have a little taste test. After a big week, you'll definitely be needing one of these. Happy New Year and happy blending.